Let's do a Honeywell HPA battle. So this is the HPA 200. This is the little brother of the HPA 300. We're going to discuss what makes this a very interesting air purifier for you and your home or your family. So let's go. Let's see what the differences are. And in order to begin, let's talk about the features of the HPA 200. Now here we have the HPA 300 versus the 200. You can see obvious that the 300 is quite large compared to the 200. It also will be using 3 filters versus 2. And I'll show you what I mean there. So here, we're going to open it up. We're going to take our front covers off. And then once you take your front covers off, they open the same way, but they're different size. This is the pre-filter covers. You can see the difference in terms of the overall size of the pre-filters. And on the actual R filters on the inside, you get 2 here on the Honeywell HPA 300, which has a higher square footage, about 475 square feet. You get 3. The filters are identical, so these filters and these filters will be the same. Honeywell HPA 200, 300. It's an obvious size difference here. Let's also look at a cross-sectional view of them. So you can see on the cross-sectional view, the HPA 300 is, again, much larger. And on the overhead view, right on. Now the good news is that you're going to be replacing your filters on both of these every 12 months. So the filters will both last you 12 months on each, the HPA 200 and the HPA 300. Another similarity is that they both will come with turbo mode. They both pretty much look identical other than the size, but let's see how they sound. So in order to test the sound, we're going to just get a meter out. So here is our sound meter, and our sound meter is going to be, I'm going to turn it on, and this is just recording everything that sounds in the room. So overall, both are going to be about the same in terms of their noise. They're going to be similar in terms of their output. And I think it just comes down to, on the HPA 300, you're getting a bigger motor. So you're going to get an extra filter. It's going to be larger. So for a larger room, the HPA 300 might be a more solid bet, because then you can run it at a lower speed. But however, you got to remember that this, because it's larger, will take up more space. So the 3 factors we want to ensure that you take into account when you're purchasing an air purifier. 1, what's the square foot? So which one is going to be large enough and powerful enough to refresh air frequently enough so that it can make a difference in the air quality, so you are going to be experiencing the health benefits. Number 2, what does it look like? Because if it does not look good, then you're not going to be wanting to use it or place it in your living area. So your bedroom, your shared dining areas, your shared family space, maybe your kid's bedroom, wherever you're thinking about placing this, if it doesn't look good, you're probably not going to do it. Third, and I think equally important, is the long-term cost. So the long-term cost here is going to be the operational cost of the electricity, plus how much the filters cost in the long run. So we expect these units to last about minimum 5 years, because they come with a limited 5-year warranty. So how many filters will I be going through? I'm going to be going through 5, but they are relatively inexpensive, and the Honeywell filters do go on sale. So when they go on sale, you can grab one. It goes on sale historically about 1 or 2 times a year, and you can grab one, take it, because the HPA 200, the filters will be less expensive, but it's because you're getting 1 less filter than the HPA 300. And with that, those are the core key differences between the HPA 200 and the 300. If you have any questions, let us know. And thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you next time. Bye.